In today's video, we are going to cover how to apply a test coupon to a subscription in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before opening the subscription, look at the mode setting and make sure test mode is enabled. This matters because the coupon and subscription you are about to edit need to be test objects, not live ones. If you are in the wrong mode, the subscription or coupon you expect to see may not appear. Once test mode is on, go to the subscription section in the dashboard, find the test subscription you want to change, and open it. This takes you to the subscription details page, where you can review the current setup before making any updates. From the subscription page, click Update Subscription. This opens the editing view for that subscription. On this screen, scroll down until you find the subscription options section. If it is collapsed, expand it so you can see the available settings. Inside subscription options, look for the coupon setting. Check the coupons option to enable coupon selection for this update. After that, choose the test coupon you want to apply to the subscription. Make sure you select the test coupon that matches the discount you intend to use, since only test coupons should be used while you are working in test mode. After selecting the coupon, pause for a moment and review the subscription summary on the page. Stripe should reflect the coupon in the discount area or updated pricing summary. This is the point where you confirm that the coupon has actually been attached to the subscription update. Check that the discount shown matches the test coupon you selected and that the revised subscription amount looks correct. If the summary does not look right, stay on this page and recheck the selected coupon before saving. That helps avoid updating the subscription with the wrong discount attached. Once the discount appears correctly in the summary, continue with the update. To save the change, click Update Subscription again. Stripe will process the update and return you to the subscription details once the change has been applied. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for the update to complete before reviewing the final subscription view. At this stage, you can confirm the result directly from the subscription record. The subscription should now show the applied test coupon and the corresponding discount in its details. Because this was done in test mode, you can use it to verify how the subscription behaves with that coupon before making any live changes in your account. Your test coupon is now applied to the selected Stripe subscription.